What's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to sound like Destroy Lonely in this new Broken Hearts 3 mixtape. And specifically for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this preset I made for the song Show You How. So yeah, without further ado, this is Show You How by Destroy Lonely.
Ain't too much to talk about. Could get STD, I can show you how. Got the recipe, come and check it out. Everything on free, time to check the style. Ballin' on them beans, we can fuck for hours. Put you in PBs, that's it down the shower. All this cash on me, this is superpower. I get shit for free, I had to work for mine. We could go AP, I can upgrade your time.
So that was Show You How by Destroy Lonely, and now I'm going to show you guys my raw vocals as always. So I'm going to turn off all of these presets, and this is what it sounds like.
Hey, you know, baby, is you picking up what I'm putting down?
Yeah, that's enough of that. Now I'm going to turn on all of these presets, and this is what it sounds like.
Too much to talk about. Can get next to me, I can show you how. Got the recipe, come and check it out. Everything on fleek, tell them check the style. Rolling on them beans, we can fuck for hours. Petite MVP, let's sit down and shout. All this cash on me is a superpower. Ain't get shit for free, I had to work for mine. We can go AP, I can't upgrade your time.
So yeah, that's what those presets sound like. And if you guys want these Destroy Lonely vocal presets, they will all be in the Discord for free. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this song I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this whole FLP along with the template ready to record in with all the Destroy Lonely presets set up, and the Best Waves master preset, and my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for $15. And I'll leave that linked in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. But if you guys just want the free presets, that's completely fine. All you have to do is join the Discord linked in the description below. Scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then all of the Destroy Lonely presets will be right here. And then if you scroll up, there's hundreds of presets in here. So go get you some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, before I end this video, I'm going to show you guys the auto-tune settings for this song. So this song is in the key of F major, and I use a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 10, and I use those same auto-tune settings for all of the ad-libs as well. The only one that is different is this deep voice bus, which is set to C chromatic scale, and the retune speed's 400 and humanize is 100. And the important part about this auto-tune is this -12 transpose. Essentially, it's what's giving this ad-lib this deep voice background effect. So now I'm going to go over the buses real quick, just so you guys know how to set this up when you get the free presets. So this main preset is going into the reverb and the delay bus, and if you look down here, these knobs are set to a specific percentage, and if you look at the top left corner of the screen in that little box, the reverb is set to 24% and the delay is set to 92%. And then this background vocal is also going into the reverb bus at 26%, and then the ad-lib preset is going into the deep voice bus preset at 72%. So that's all the buses, and all you do to set them up is you just click these little arrows and then you turn the knob to the percentage. And yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. It was kind of a short one, but I just wanted to get this video out for you guys so you guys can have a Destroy Lonely preset. If this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.